artificial weapons, new technology like satellite, mechanized soldiers, everything. So, all those supplies. This can be done with them together with us. If we are telling to every if we show them also we can if they benefit, I think they will see that. That's what we are doing with the government. We are this point. We need financial assistance to the young computer. This government display any aspect of any humanity for their people, and also never invest those money on the people. Only those money in the pocket. Now, we ask the European and British government, please assess and evaluate where these money go. If you need to know about this money, you have to go to the people and ask them what they is embargo to the military assistance, is embargo to the economic assistance, and the rest we will do. That's what we are asking from the world.
We have run out of time. Do you have something to say at the end? Any comment?
Yes, before I am going to add the last point, I would like to say one thing, that is in addition to cure a patient from this debilitating illness, first of all, we have to have a good diagnosis. To have a good diagnosis, we have to follow a diagnostic parameter. So, when I put the Ethiopian government in my diagnostic pocket to assess the outcome is very clear for me, and that is our policy of, our way of Norway policy. That means, and this policy is guided by three duplicating of every command. One, love is the base of duty. Second, the duty is torture and death. Third, divide and rule to oppose all democratic and free ideas. So, and to obey all those policies, they use give for every individual, Oromo people of another opposition party, chance to build individual economic power. Second, deny group of union economic power to colonize each and individual person. Third, use those individual opportunistic people for your policy. So, I'd like to ask the diaspora people, please, one, wake up to analyze and assess those opportunities, chances from our enemy, and deny them the chance to follow them, and reunite, to organize ourselves, and to fight back all those internal and external destructive ideas. Thank you very much.
Thank you for coming and sharing your experience on EaAf. I hope we're going to